And we're back. Welcome back to the channel. It's January 2026 and we want to start the year off right here. So we are giving away a car to one of you lucky winners, right? Just before we get to that, we've got plenty of videos coming up with the Merc again this year. We're getting back onto that. We've got another car that we're introducing to the channel. That's just hiding away in the garage. That'll be coming out very soon. We've got plenty of work on that one as well. But we are giving away a car to one of you guys. So get in touch with us. Anyone who you think may be deserving of a car, just let us know, hit us up, watch the video, follow, like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll have a look at what we're dealing with today. So let's have a look at the car which we're giving away. It's just behind us right here. That's terrible. So let's have a look at the car that we're giving away this year. Here it is, just behind us. We have got a Fiat Panda. 2011, 1.2, lovely white paint job on it. Unfortunately, it's a little bit sick at the minute. We've got a bit of work to do on it first. We've got an alternator to change. We've got the power steering to fix. We've got some lights to fix. It needs a full service, so we'll get all of that sorted before it goes. We've got to change the brakes. We're going to do the pads and the discs on the front, so it's got plenty of life left in it. The driver's window, unfortunately, doesn't work, so we're going to sort that out as well. We think it's a full mechanism change, but we'll get back onto that very soon. We've also got the full exhaust system that we've got to sort out as well. But as soon as that's done, it'll all be prepped. We're going to do a full valet on it. It's going to be done inside and out. We're going to sort the radio out as well. And then it's ready to go to one of you lucky winners. So if you know anybody who's maybe just starting to drive, who can't quite get the money together for a first car, I think this would make a perfect first car for somebody. Or maybe you know a family or someone who's just struggling a little bit at the start of the year. They need a little bit of help. They need to get back on the road. I think this will do a perfect job for them. So over the next few weeks, watch the videos of us repairing it and getting it sorted for somebody. Let us know if you think you know anyone who might need it or might benefit from a car like this, and we're going to be giving it away before the end of January. So drop us a message. Remember the rules: they've got to like the channel, they've got to follow us and subscribe, and leave us a comment, and we'll get this car to somebody very soon. Let's get after it.